Are you looking for the best treadmill under $300 cheap treadmills? In this video we will look at some of the best treadmill under $300 cheap treadmills. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Weslo Cadence G 5.9 Treadmill. Weslo Cadence is the famous treadmill manufacturer for the cheap and popular treadmill. The Weslo Cadence R 5.9 treadmill is the best-seller treadmill on Amazon. The manufacturer offers this treadmill with low budget price. It has many user-friendly features that you can really enjoy your workout. It has easily heart rate monitoring system and shows the accurate results like calories burned, distance, time, heart pulse. It offers 6 built programs prepared by a certified trainer, and you no need to prepare your exercise routine. Similarly, Weslo Cadence is the famous treadmill manufacturer for the cheap and popular treadmills on the market. Especially, the Weslo Cadence R 5.9 treadmill is the best-seller treadmill on Amazon. Due to its hand grip sensors, you will get accurate results. It offers 6 built programs prepared by a certified trainer, and you no need to prepare your exercise routine. It is one of the best-selling as well as cheap treadmill under $300. Continuous horsepower, CHP, is a term used in the treadmill industry for consumer comparison purposes. The CHP rating is measured in laboratory testing using a dynamometer, which measures the mechanical power of the motor. The CHP rating does not denote the operational horsepower of the treadmill in ordinary household use. In ordinary household use, the motor does not operate at the horsepower shown. At number 2, Best Choice Electric Motorized Treadmill. The Best Choice Products 800 watts portable folding electric motorized treadmill is one of the best treadmills under $300. You can check it before buying an best affordable treadmill. It has many functions with the value-oriented price. One of the best budget treadmills. On the other hand, it has more speed options that can be easily adjustable as your workout requirements. You can use it for walking and vigorous running with more and less speed. Due to its simple structure, design can be assembled easily with less time, and obviously explained manual is given from the manufacturer. Products mean a little more at BCP. We work hard to build innovative, popular, and timeless items that will thrive in your home. Behind your favorite best choice product is a team developing the next best thing. When building our products, BCP does the heavy lifting for you. Before an item makes it to your home, it must first pass quality tests and our final stamp of approval. Every step of a product counts, and we never compromise high quality. Being a better you is an easier road with support. And while we can't physically help along the way, we're happy to provide helpful tools for success. Kettlebells, treadmills, and gym mats are just some of BCP's fitness handpicks. At number 3, Sunny Health and Fitness Treadmill. Sunny Health and Fitness is the famous name in the fitness industry. The products of Sunny Health and Fitness have acquired the trust of users due to the quality of the products. Especially, this Sunny Health and Fitness Treadmill is the best treadmill under $300. Now, I am going to describe why it is the best treadmills under $300. It is a specific 3-incline mode. You can detect the heart rate via its heart rate sensors. It can be folded easily due to its soft drop mechanism. The silent motor generates minimum noise level. Specifically, it has plenty of programs as well as workout modes for the advanced workout. On the other hand, it has a holder for a tablet, smartphones. Sunny is the best quality and best cheap treadmill for home. It has the gorgeous users rating within the price range. Products mean a little more at BCP. We work hard to build innovative, popular, and timeless items that will thrive in your home. Behind your favorite best choice product is a team developing the next best thing. When building our products, BCP does the heavy lifting for you. Before an item makes it to your home, it must first pass quality tests and our final stamp of approval. Every step of a product counts, and we never compromise high quality. Being a better you is an easier road with support. And while we can't physically help along the way, we're happy to provide helpful tools for success. Kettlebells, treadmills, and gym mats are just some of BCP's fitness handpicks. At number 4, Fitness Reality Electric Treadmill. Fitness Reality 2045 2500 folding electric treadmill, also the best treadmill at an affordable budget. You can buy it for spending around $300. So, it can be a great machine for your fitness journey. You can use it as your fitness goal because it has goal-setting fitness programs. It allows different speed ranges up to 5 miles per hour for the different level. Due to its sturdy design and great parts, the manufacturer offers it for 3 years of limited warranty. Fitness Reality. Real people, real results. Treadmill fitness is an effective way to burn extra calories and achieve a healthy lifestyle. Unlike outdoor exercise, a treadmill fitness workout has the benefits of shock absorption and the convenience of exercising in your own home, in front of a TV, or just listening to your favorite music. On the 2500 treadmill you can achieve a rigorous workout up to 5 miles per hour, which can help you lose body fat, tone muscles, and is a great way to stay in shape. The Fitness Reality 2500 is perfect for those who do not want a big, heavy treadmill that is difficult to move and store away. The 2500 is ideal for small rooms, tight spaces and apartments, and is lightweight enough for easy mobility. So, set your goals and give the Fitness Reality 2500 a try. Then start getting healthy and achieve the results you want. Additional features: pounds user weight capacity. Work out in the comfort of your own home. Backlit LCD display window features elapsed time, distance walked, calories burned and speed. Speed adjusts slowly up to a maximum of 5 miles per hour. At 4 miles per hour the user can achieve a very rigorous fitness workout. 4 quick speed buttons for convenient speed adjustments. 2 workout goal settings, time and distance. Quiet drive motor for reducing any noise when exercising so that there is no sound interference with TV or music. Treadmill belt size, 13 inches WX 40 inches L. Space saving folding design, ideal for small rooms where space is limited. Folds up easily and can be moved to different locations via transportation wheels. Folded dimensions: 22 inches WX 23 inches by 50 inches H. Handlebars allow you maintain balance while exercising. 2 bottle holders included. A safety clip is included for emergency stops. Some assembly required. 3 years limited. Setup dimensions: 48 inches LX 23 inches by 50 inches H. Setup weight: 60 pounds. At number 5, REDLIRO folding treadmill. It is a smooth and magnetic resistant treadmill having the gentle 3-manual incline for the great workout. It is also one of the best affordable treadmill with 12 preset workout programs. REDLIRO folding electric treadmill has a more functional display that shows calories burned, time, speed, distance, heart rate, etc. Wide variety of running speed allows all levels of users to run as their requirements. This workout machine has 0.5 to 7.5 miles per hour running speed and 1 touch speed controlling system. A multi-layered tread belt for smooth running and ensures long-lasting capacity, so you can take it in your considerations without any doubt. Easy assemble and space saver. This treadmill is easy assembled. The folding design and transport wheels make it easy to move and store. The foldable dimensions is 24.1 by 20.3 by 48.4, in which is space saving and very suitable for home or office use. Convenient button and heart rate sensor. There are 4 buttons in the handrail. You can easily start/stop/speed up and down without hands leaving the handrail. More safe and convenient. There also are 2 heart rate sensor in the handrail which can monitor your heart rate and make exercise safer. 3 manuals incline adjuster. The treadmill is designed with 3 manual incline adjuster to meet different needs of running. Helps you burn more calories, tone more muscle, and build greater endurance. LCD display and phone bracket. Multifunctional LCD display, easy to read with all the necessary information. Time, speed, calories, distance and heart rate. The tablet phone bracket allows you to enjoy exercising and entertainment at the same time. You can watch movies or listen to music when you work out. Shock absorption running belt. Shock absorbing running belt, providing an effective and safe cushion for your knees and muscles when running. The treadmill supports max user weight 220 pounds. At number 6, EFITMENT adjustable incline manual treadmill. This is latest updated version of previous pick of a cheap treadmill. It is suitable for a small apartment due to its compact design. It has no electric motor. As a result, no electricity will be consumed for its uses. The running speed is adjusted through the magnetic tension. The EFITMENT adjustable incline magnetic manual treadmill, undoubtedly the good option for those who have less space in the apartment. It is lightweight, offers a weight limit up to 220 pounds. Design with a large LCD digital console. An additional option for arm exercise that will meet up your upper body exercise like an elliptical cross trainer. So, I think this running machine will ensure your full body workout option within a small budget. Get the perfect solution to receive the perfect workout with the adjustable incline magnetic manual treadmill with optional arm exercisers by EFITMENT. Unlike traditional treadmills, this one requires the body to muscularly move and operate with no assistance from a motor. This makes burning calories more efficient and yield results faster. The handlebars are designed to include upper body involvement, making the whole body work. The walking treadmill starts on a 7-degree incline. This has been indicated to yield higher fat burning than just walking on a flat surface. Integrated biopulse sensors to measure heart rate, BPM, to help gauge workout intensity. With the easy storage design, which includes transportation's wheels and folding capability, makes this perfect for small areas or spaces with limited room. At number 7, Merax Easy Assembly Electric Treadmill. Thirdly, Merax Easy Assembly Electric Treadmill is listed in your choice. It is specially designed for home use, because its folding style will help the users to store in lower floor space. Due to its lower price and more positive customer reviews, it wins a place of a popular treadmill for the fitness lover. You can afford this treadmill just spending around $250. It has 3 built-in workout programs and 3 manual incline adjustments. Finally, this one can be stored in a very small space due to its compact size. The Merax Easy Assembly Folding Electric Treadmill is one of the cheapest treadmills in the market, available at an unbelievable price. Obviously, it has the entire excellent features required for an efficient exercise. If you are an average height person with a weight of 240 pounds or below, select the treadmill with high-end features to fulfill your need of running or walking. I hope you will see it and inspired buying this one. It is important to measure your heart rate during your exercise. Healthy heart rates ensure that we can exercise safely and effectively. The 5-layer non-slip tread belt with a 15.5' wider running area. It not only can effectively reduce the vibration and noise generated when running, but also protect your knees. You can get 3 different inclines by easily adjusting the pin manually to get the different intensity of running and achieve a better running effect.